Yeah, so I didn't really
Yeah, I
do
can see it
Friday
now.
last week. I has
Okay.
traded you. I looked through all the other charts too, you know, and I want to buy a funded account this week, another one for
Oh,
funding pips. I think 50K.
okay.
Yeah. And I see how it goes. I have friends who hate funded accounts because they say it messes with
How
them. This
does it
was
mess with them?
I held this trade from the other week, this one, and I think I took out profit from somewhere. Yeah.
Okay.
So then last week I was in buys for um Thursday, Friday. Yeah, though I didn't really share those setups because hey man, I share setups and guys just keep quiet. I got tired. But I also took a loss last week. I took one
Uh,
loss.
I
Ah,
I think I checked it when you were selling and the guy
yeah,
over my Kipro was over buying something like that.
yeah,
Was over.
I took
I don't know, I'm not so sure.
I took a loss. I took a loss also. So
Okay.
let's just I don't know. You're still on that GBP card thing. Worked for you.
I closed it. I finally closed it. Actually,
Yeah.
it's the only trade. I took it on Monday and I left it running and I also set a TP and it hit my TP. So,
I've I've been looking at gold, not trading it, just looking at it because gold has really been dropping. And I don't know who is buying gold right now. Even though at some point, remember the last time we had the session, we talked about this point, you know,
yeah,
and
yeah.
leaving out this one. Most times it's not even recommended to buy in such a market because when you have such a big candle taking out all these candles at once, it shows you that people are driving this market is being driven to a certain price. The price of gold is dropping every single day. And even though there are
So you mean,
retracements there, I don't see anything changing right now. Because also the Fed,
okay,
I don't see them cutting interest rate anytime soon. And right now we
okay.
can't even get predictions of the interest rate because the Fed said they won't be having those meetings where they predict. It's called forward guidance. This new Fed chair
Mm,
ended, but
mm,
as well, some people think trading gold is easy because you just sell, but it's not like that. Gold is so volatile. By the time
yeah.
you enter a fake out, they're already taking your capital, you know. And yet,
Yeah,
me, my trading is protecting capital always. Like I look at
yeah.
protecting first before anything. So if I feel that I'm safe, that's when I enter. That's when I enter the market. You know, I don't just enter.
Okay,
Not like right now, I wouldn't sell. I wouldn't sell or buy. Maybe I would buy back to here. This would be my point because the market is trying to give us some movement to the upside. And we can't say it's going to sell forever. It can stop here and begin its move to the upside. So I'm supposed to
yeah.
expect all that. Just like you see, Bitcoin has manipulations right now,
Man,
and
Bitcoin is dropping all the time nowadays.
yeah, but they always take out liquidity. There are other Bitcoin charts that show liquidity clusters because crypto you can see that, and crypto can drop from 68, you know, from 65 up to 15 one day, and those guys will bring
Mm,
it back, you know, just to
in the
take out
next
maybe
day.
some
Yeah,
money. They would bring it back, take that out, and continue. But the crypto market is so volatile. It can recover all that move in a single day. So all these pairs that we trade nowadays, we just have to. That's why I aim at swingers are okay because at
mm,
least the psychology can be somehow. But as scalpers, like the market can move so fast, and if you're in the wrong direction, it doesn't allow you to think. And that's how I would tell someone who is coming in right now. They need to just get a slow pair, one of those JPY pairs, and first trade those pairs. Because right now, yes, you can make money from this current market if you're in the right direction, but you can lose money too. You can lose a lot of money if it gets you offside. And if you don't have the right mindset and psychology for it, it's going to kill you and you hate trading. G has been at least giving us some market structure there, trying as well, you know. Let me see here. Trying as well to show that it's slowing down, but to me, I haven't seen any candle that is showing that it's ready. Anything can happen, you know,
Okay.
anything can happen.
Okay.
This can be a retracement, this movement here. This movement here can be a retracement, and yet it's looking for further dump because we are not the ones who control this market.
Mm.
And this can be a move that starts to accumulate over time and go up. So if we get
Okay.
nowadays a 1 to 2 risk to reward is very good. It's very good because the market even at times doesn't respect structures. Yeah. So if you get a 1 to 2, like take out profit, and that's why I no longer have even one position running. I have two. At least even though I'm stable how on the setup, I'm going to have two what?
Like from different pairs, that's what you're saying.
No, from the same, but
Okay.
one will allow me take out profit and the other will be running risk free. You know. But G last week
Okay.
was kind of good for a 1 to 2. If you look at how it was moving, you know, when the market is current, you can think, oh, it has overdropped. But with time,
Mm.
its candles become smaller when the market keeps moving.
Yeah.
And you find out that it didn't really drop that much. It didn't really drop that much. So you have to have it in your head. Now, imagine a 1 to 2 from here. Someone is targeting risking 10 pips for 20 pips or 30 pips, you know, just from here to here. And this market's defined, they even show you where the momentum is being driven. Like you see
Mm.
big candles to that direction, then the candles that are coming down are slower, then the market moves very fast, retraces fast, you know. You just have to study where that liquidity, where that momentum is. The problem is today is Monday, so the market can change, but you can easily know that okay, this is the move, this is the direction. This last week we had let me see, we had this market giving us direction, you know.
Okay.
So this week I'm just waiting to see how the market, but it's
It
already showing
it
up
it
upside.
it kind of looks like it's in a consolidation and it's ready for a bigger move later on.
Yeah, most times it's explosive. Most times it's explosive. From here. I would look at buying from here, but you have to be extremely watching. Of course, here there are many confluences. We have a
Mm.
trend line, we have this demand zone or an order block, whatever they call it. We have the market break above this point. So this is the retracement, and you know
So
it has already
okay,
wicked there. So
okay.
it can give us, if we see it weak like this, then there is a big fight right here. Then we have this
I
movement
think
going
me, I
on.
would wait for it to first go into the box
Yeah,
you've drawn, and then I also draw out that rectangle from this position down here. No,
yeah.
this previous one, this upper
Actually,
one, the
um,
upper one.
this one,
No, the on your left.
this one.
Yes, that one. Like I would wait for the market to drop down, then it breaks that zone going up. How do you think
Yeah,
going
that's
up?
that's actually like stable. You know, it's stable enough. That's why we have all these entry strategies that when the market enters here and it's not giving you signals, you enter a
Mm,
testing position, maybe a smaller lot size. As long as you don't break funny lot out prop farm rules, you come in
okay.
here, you enter maybe one position, maybe it's half the lot. Then when
Mm,
it breaks above and gives a reversal pattern, when it breaks above here and gives a reversal pattern, let me say some candle that is a reversal or one that shows you that bulls are still in control, you add more positions. Should be the best.
Mm.
And I've seen it happening a lot this week when the market breaks such points. Like for example, you see, okay, you saw it broke here, then
Yeah.
came back and just touched there and went. It has been doing
Mm.
it a lot. Even here, when it broke this point, came deep in, and then it came, touched it and broke it finally. We tested it and went. So the thing is to wait and see the reaction of all these candles in this box, and this can be the security rectangle. Okay, this one. That if it breaks this trend line and breaks this point, you know that chances of buying from this area are less, you know.
Yeah.
So you
Yeah.
just have to wait and see the action. Actually, just wait and see. Now, even though it has given us this momentum, this is the momentum of our London session opening, you know. So if we have that, then we have this clearance back to this place. There's a strategy that entails it. Is it the Asian range breakout and stuff? Some stuff like that, whereby market breaks. Anyway, I've had people talk about it, but I stick to one thing. So the thing right now is to just watch this box and see. You know,
Yeah.
um, I need to first delete
What
some.
what's your ongoing trend on that TRX?
TRX is still bullish. You can even see. Oh, I saying this. Let me show you what it's actually bullish. TRX is a good pair to trade. It's a very good pair to trade. You know,
I wanted to trade it this week, so that's why I was asking. I was
this
trying
is
to
reversal.
analyze it.
Bullish. I even checked out the market cap. It had some market structure. That was last week on Tuesday. The market cap had
Yeah.
some serious a nice structure of a bounce. I think it's the bounce that is happening now. So
Okay.
Forex is good to trade. You just don't have to over leverage it. Actually, if it's long term, I'd actually add positions because one thing I know about these cryptos, everything can be said about them. But when they start to rise, money is made a lot. Money is made a lot, man. I know crypto traders who are bowling in this bear market. I actually have a friend who has been selling from 120,000, you know?
On Bitcoin.
He's selling Bitcoin. Yeah. He's holding one position. Even though his stop loss is
Shit.
around 70.
Shit.
Yeah, guys are good. Guys, whether it goes up or down, guys make money. And you see, if you touch crypto analysis, you mark like to me, I think Forex is analyzing Forex is harder than crypto because crypto
Yeah.
has a sense of direction, you know. But Forex, oh
Yeah.
my God, like it can dump today, buy tomorrow. You won't even say anything. But crypto, it's only a few pairs like TRX who have this move of I'm not decisive, like I'm just dancing
Mm.
around. But there's others. Look at this thing. They dump, 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 dump. You have to just find a good entry,
Jesus.
you know? Even though they play around, you sell 4 times and you get the right entry. Look at this. This is the daily time
Jesus.
frame. This is the daily time frame. Maybe these ones are ones that disturb. If Bitcoin, they play around a lot, a lot. Can take your money, but can say if dumps, gets it back that same day, dumps it, tries to get it back. So it's a lot of psychology in play. But
Yeah.
the others, as long as you get like a good entry, I don't want to keep you here for long because you didn't want to come. Okay, you wanted to come, but it's like you were busy.
No, I wasn't so much busy. It's just
Which
that
pair
I,
is this? This is nice. So this is
I
a fake
spent
out
most of
or
the night practicing our stuff. So
so the fake out. Okay, this would be nice to wait and see. Just be nice to wait and see. But it looks like a this one can play your mind. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let me tell you, when a
Mm,
setup looks so easy. You have to first fear it. You have to, you have to first fear it. But it looks so easy. Hey,
But I
listen.
thought all you have to do is to make the like car trading easier than what it is.
Yeah, but like when you get a setup and it just looks too good to be true. At times you have to first look around you and see why is this thing like this? Like why? And I say for now I'll just wait and see maybe a break above this. But everything is still pointing down, like sales. Nothing really. I wouldn't
Yeah,
take this as people who got in from here and got out from here are the real OGs. But right now, just look at how this market is moving. Maybe a retracement.
for another dump.
That's a nice one. So it's just there, you know, just there.
Yeah,
So I wouldn't call it a flag or anything like that because I just want to wait and see how the market. I like waiting out nowadays. Like, I rather protect my capital. I'll put it in that range and see. Put it in that range.
I
How did
know.
you? We just pray for a
Okay.
good week, you know, because we know what to do. The market just has to reward us. Look,
Yeah.
this thing, if it breaks below this, it's going to dump massively. There is this point and this point. Because I see here, how did I miss this? Well, last week I was lazy to check these pairs. I really missed this. Right now, just wait and see how it goes back in here. I'm seeing it's trying, but let's wait, wait. Mondays like this, not really nothing much. This one I haven't.
Usually, Monday, me, I usually check it out in the evening, like from 4 going onwards.
This is a good sell if it clears some liquidity and crosses back. You know, thing is to avoid fake outs. I would put a trend line there. I would put a trend line to
Yeah,
protect me at all costs. So
you
if
know,
it can
this
just
new
hold up,
confluence, it goes against break and retest.
times man,
Hello?
times you have to like. There's a way you fix them in the. You know. No, the market changed. Why do you think nowadays I add that thing of if it breaks the trend line, it has to break structure because it's a double confirmation. Man, this pair at times I wish I didn't close it. Just kept flying. I closed from around here.
Me too. Me too.
This is the 4 hour time frame. Just kept
UJ
flying.
has just
With
been
its
trending
funny market
up.
structure, it can't even give you a buy. It just keeps doing funny shit.
Yeah. Yeah.
Uh,
I think the
man,
last time when we entered it would have just held rather than just
if we had held all that, can't even give you a proper buy.
there is no way you can pull a proper buy from all the commotion.
Anyway, it started to show some sell signs, but no, can't trust sales on such a market. Cannot, not even trust sales.
So I was thinking when if in case I get a setup or something of that sort and I
Man,
send it to you, can you help me and we go through it when you have time, maybe like a small short session about it or something like that, if that's okay with you, always. I
yeah,
feel it would help me better to understand
uh, if
more
I'm busy, I'll
easily
just send
and
a voice note.
yeah,
If I'm
okay.
busy, I just send a voice note because at times I'm not even at home.
I get you. I get you.
We are trying other things, so we have to keep get trying to get money in all directions.
I know. I know, same here.
Call
I
him,
know.
man. That's it. That's literally it.
Okay, no problem. Since it's a Monday, it's just today, it's, the week. Okay, Because also me, most of the pairs I've been going through, they're not really giving me anything.
Ah,
I'm just watching zones and all that.
Vale, man. Submit.
Okay, okay, thank you.
I sing
If I
this
get
game.
yeah.
So let's watch it. I'm not going to take it because Monday. I hope it then start up those funny moves that never come back.
And it just rallies up.
And it just rallies the whole week.
I know, and and you wish that you didn't enter it. I get you.
Let me just put my tool there. Target there. Stop loss. My stop loss would be, hey, this is just 7 pips, man. 10, something like that. Would be actually nice. Let's save it. Vale.
Okay, Emma. We shall we shall text later on.
Aya.
Thanks.